We're here at the One-to-One Mining Investment Conference in London. Now, for those who might not have heard of the Argonaut story before, can you give us a brief introduction to the company?
Certainly. Argonaut is an ASX listed company, stock exchange code ARE. Argonaut has copper exploration projects in South Australia, a gold and nickel exploration project and joint venture in Western Australia, and has copper-cobalt projects in Zambia. The company has three main pushes at the moment. One is to reinvigorate our Torrens joint venture in South Australia, which is a deep IOCG, iron oxide copper gold drilling program to the southeast of Olympic Dam in South Australia. Immediately adjacent to that is our Murdie project. The company is currently working through the permitting process. We'll shortly get our second permit of 3 to commence our drilling program there. Our final permit will come in the first quarter of 2020, at which time we will move pretty promptly into a drilling program at our Murdie project in South Australia. At the same time, across in Central Africa, we're progressing with a scoping study for the Nyungu deposit of our Lumwana West project in northwestern Zambia. We've just recently produced our first saleable concentrate from that project. We're proceeding with more mining engineering with feasibility into metallurgical processes and the economics of different process flow sheets. We hope to have a summarised economic study out to the market shortly. Also in Zambia, we've picked up some new exploration ground. We've picked up serendipitously a piece of ground which has been the subject of the Nyungu gold rush in Zambia a couple of months ago. There are people crawling all over the area for alluvial gold after a primary school teacher pulled a kilogram of gold out of the creek near the school. So we're interested in that. We're also interested in that area's copper potential. We've also picked up some ground adjacent to Arc Minerals project near Kalaba in northwestern Zambia. So the company's got a number of things going on at the moment. Really, one of the ideas that the board is considering at the moment is whether or not we're getting proper value for our Zambian assets in the ASX listing, and the company's considering its options with regard to spinning those assets out into a London listing when the time is right in the market.
So there's obviously a number of things going on over a couple of projects. All sounds really exciting. What should investors be looking at with Argonaut? Why should they be getting excited about the company at the moment?
Look, Argonaut is terribly oversold after our Torrens drilling stopped in June this year. We're probably the most oversold and highly leveraged company that's at 121 this year. When we get back going again, there is a huge upwards vacuum to pull the company's market capitalisation from where it currently sits as a consequence of our partners stopping the drilling to where it needs to be to reflect the value of our actual projects. And in that regard, the main catalyst for that change in capitalisation and the growth in capitalisation for the company will be the final permit for the Murdie project. And when that is in the wind and coming, we'll get back out to the market and start promoting the stock to take it back to where it needs to be. At the moment, we're still a couple of months away from that, and it's a bit too soon for us.
Well, and how have you found the One-to-One conference so far?
Oh, energising as always. Great to be in London, great to be back at the One-to-One conference.
Well, great to speak to you as always. Thank you very much.
Thank you.